Hello everyone, my name is Siva Ganesh Morgen from AC11-Science Computer Internet of Things. Today I will be talking about the Windows operating system, one of the most widely used operating systems in the world. Windows is essential because it manages computer resources and provides services to applications. In this presentation, I will cover its history, design principles, system components, environmental subsystems, file system, networking, and programmer interface. Windows was developed by Microsoft and first released in 1985 as Windows 1.0. It introduced a graphical user interface or GUI which allowed users to interact with the computers using icons and menus instead of typing text comments. This was a major improvement over MS-DOS. Over the years, Windows evolved through versions like Windows 95, which introduced the Start menu, Windows XP for stability, Windows 7 for performance, and Windows 10 and 11 with modern features like virtual desktop and cloud integration. Today, Windows runs on desktop, laptop, servers, and even mobile devices. The design of Windows focuses on compatibility, usability, performance, and security. It supports a wide range of hardware and software, making it easy for users to install and run applications. Windows uses a graphical user interface which allows users to click icons, navigate menus, and interact visually instead of using typed text comments. This makes it user-friendly. Security is another key principle. Windows includes built-in tools like antivirus, anti-malware, and firewall to protect against threat. It also provides access control and encryption to keep user data safe. Windows operating system is made up of several important components. First is kernel, the core of the operating system that manages hardware, memory, and processors. Second is hardware abstraction layer, provides a uniform interface for different hardware devices. Third is device drivers, enable communication between hardware and software. Fourth is executive services, handle memory management, input-output operations, and security. Fifth is user mode, where applications run using the Win32 subsystems. These components work together to provide stability and efficiency. For example, when you open an application, the kernel allocates memory, the drivers communicate with hardware, and the GUI displays the interface. Windows supports multiple environments through subsystems. The most important is the Win32 subsystem, which runs standard Windows applications. Other subsystems include POSIX, Portable Operating System Interface, and Operating System/2, which allows compatibility with older or different operating systems. These subsystems interact with system interfaces and DLLs like kernel32, user32, GDI32 to handle user processes and graphical output. Windows uses the NTFS, New Technology File System, which supports large files, security permissions, and data recovery. NTFS is more advanced than older systems like FAT32, File Allocation Table, because it provides better reliability and access control. Windows also offers tools for file management, such as saving data, setting access rights, and searching for files. This makes it easier for users to organize and store data efficiently. Windows has strong networking capabilities. It provides tools for network configuration, firewall settings, and access control. Users can easily connect to networks, share data, and manage security. In enterprise environments, Windows supports Active Directory, which helps manage users, devices, and resources across a network. This makes Windows suitable for both personal and business use. Windows offers a rich set of APIs for developers. The most important is the Win32 Application Program Interface, which is the foundation for Windows applications. It also supports modern frameworks like .NET, Network-Enabled Technologies, and Universal Windows Platform, allowing developers to create applications that works across different Windows versions and devices. In summary, Windows is a powerful operating system designed for compatibility, performance, and security. Its components, subsystems, file system, networking features, and developer tools make it one of the most versatile platforms in the world. Thank you so much.